Moin liebe Kelten, wir sind heute bei Beijer Ref und neben mir habe ich einen ganz besonderen Gast. Das ist nämlich der CEO von Beijer Ref insgesamt und das ist der Simon. Simon wird uns heute mal ein bisschen was über sich erzählen. Das Ganze findet auf Englisch statt, aber Untertitel gibt es auch dazu. Hello Simon, welcome.
Thank you very much. Very nice to be here.
Simon, I'm absolutely thrilled to have you here on our roadshow. Please, can you tell our audience who are you at Beijer Ref and what do you do?
Yes, thank you very much. I will. My name is Simon Karlin, and I've been working within Beijer Ref for more than 20 years, and I'm responsible for our regions Europe and Africa and Middle East, and yeah, that's my positions.
The entire regions, Europe, Africa,
Yes,
Middle East. That
yes.
is a very big region.
It's a big one. It's like 2.2 billion euro in sales. Global.
That is a lot.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
What is it that you do as a CEO? Because that is from a craftsman very removed position.
Yes.
Can you tell us a bit about that?
Yes, my big responsibility is really to manage and develop our companies, and maybe I will come back later what we are doing, but this is really the function I have, and make sure we have the right people, the right organization, and the right products in place to serve our customers globally.
And Beijer Ref in Germany, to Germans, is pretty well known, but how's the company standing globally? How does it look?
Yes. I can give you a short background of Beijer. We were a very old company, you can say more than 150 years old, but you can say from in the 90s, Beijer decided to only focus on one thing, which was refrigeration and HVAC distribution wholesale, and also production of units within this segment. And today we have a global presence. We are in Europe, very strong. We are in Africa, very strong. We are also in the APAC region, including India and Thailand. And we also now entered into the North America in the beginning of last year. So we have a global presence, 3.3 billion in sales, 45 countries, probably 150 subsidiaries or something like that. 6,000 employees.
That is a big number, but
Yes.
how did it start and where?
Well, it started in Malmö. We are a Swedish company.
In Malmö?
In Malmö, yes. So it's still our HQ. We're quite small HQ, but we are there. And it started again 150 years ago in a total different businesses. And then it just moved on. And as I mentioned, in the 90s, there was a decision to just focus on one thing, which is our today core business, which is refrigeration and HVAC business. And this is how we've been growing since then.
That so the HVAC and refrigeration business is, of course, it's growing. It was a steady growth, I guess.
Yes, yes.
Now, everybody's talking about heat pumps.
Yes.
How did it impact you?
Yes. Very good question. You can say it's a new segment for us.
Yeah.
And the good thing for us here is that we are quite small players today, but we see the big potential for us coming. And we have very good brands we can promote. And we see this as a very huge future of possibility for Beijer. And we are just starting up the business, you can say, a few years ago.
How is it Europe-wise?
Yes.
Is it pretty much equal across the countries?
In Europe, it's very popular with heat pumps. As you know, you can say Europe is one segment, and then the other segment is really US, where heat pumps is also starting to take off.
Are they kind of taking off in the same way?
You can say Europe is in the front here.
Yeah.
Even now it's a bit flattish on the heat pump, but in the next 5-10 years, this business will just grow, and I think US will follow.
They're surely going to catch up.
Yes, they will.
Is there something you want to tell our German audience especially?
Yes, I would like to add one thing. I mentioned in the beginning we are refrigeration and HVAC wholesaler, but we also do our own production of compressor racks for refrigeration, and here we are one of the global leaders to really focus on natural refrigerant, which is mainly for us CO2. And also for Germany, we have entered into this segment here, and we are selling more and more of the green solution within refrigeration compressor racks. And this is something I know the German customer are very much expecting us to do.
Yeah. So the big focus, Beijer Ref, is going to be the naturals and the renewables. I think that's the way the journey is going to go. And with that, Simon, thank you very much for being here.
Thank you. Thank you yourself.
For taking
My pleasure.
the time.
My pleasure. Thank you very much.
All right. Bye, everyone.
Thank you. Bye-bye.